This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and keep screens unlocked so discovery works. Open the file you want to send, tap Share, and choose Quick Share. On some devices, you may instead open Settings Connections Quick Share. Once done, Quick Share will scan nearby devices, make sure the receiver has Quick Share open, and visibility set to Nearby or Everyone. This initial setup reduces pairing friction and lets the sender locate the receiving device quickly. Next, choose the specific device you want to send to from the discovered list. You should confirm the device name so you don't send to the wrong phone. Tap Send and Quick Share will establish a temporary Wi-Fi direct connection. This provides fast transfer without using mobile data. You'll see a progress indicator. Do not close the app or turn off screens. If a permission prompt appears on the receiver, instruct them to accept so the transfer proceeds. Quietly monitor speed and remaining time. Finally, once the transfer hits 100%, check the receiver's notifications and save the file to the appropriate app or folder. Verify file integrity by opening it. If the transfer fails, first toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices, then retry the send. Many disconnects resolve by reinitializing radios. If problems persist, reboot both devices or use an alternate pairing method such as QR code or nearby share settings. This troubleshooting step
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.